Hi, in today's video we'll be making a ring. Alright, before we get started we'll need a few things. Our 3-in-1 wire cutters, 18 to 20 gauge wire, a single bead, and a ring sizer. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can use a marker or the very top of a nail polish, anything that's roughly the diameter of the finger that you want to put a ring on. Alright, so for the wire, my ring size is 7, so I'm going to wrap it around twice just so I can get an idea of how much wire I'm actually going to be using, and I can cut off the rest. So I wrapped it around twice. Where they meet up, I will go ahead and get my wire cutters and give it a nice little clip. Let's go ahead and put our wire away. Alright, now that we have our wire cut, we're going to go ahead and straighten it out a little bit. I'm going to leave it like this because we're going to wrap the bead through. So we're going to string the bead to roughly around the middle and pull the ends around so it kind of catches it. Go ahead and get that really secure so it goes around the bead. Straighten this out a bit. Using the flat portion of my wire cutters just to straighten it out a bit. I'm just really making sure it's nice and straight, using my pliers to hold it in place so I can go ahead and use my fingers to adjust the rest of the wire. Just trying to straighten up some of the funky areas. And straighten it as much as you can. Alright, so as you can see, kind of looks like a bobby pin where it's holding my bead on one side. Still a little loose, but that's okay. Roughly straight going across. So I'm going to find the 7 mark on my ring sizer, and I am going to go ahead and wrap around my wire. Great part about the ring sizer, it has a line going all the way around, so you know you could straighten it up a bit more. Wanting my beads to be more in the middle, so I'm pushing my wire down. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten that back up a bit. So it's, roughly straight going around. Go ahead and take that off, and now with these ends I'm going to curl them going outward. So I'm just going to curl them around my needle nose and then flatten them with the flat part of my cutters. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other end. Now I'm just adjusting it to straighten it up a bit, flatten the tip again so it is flush with the starting wire. So it's wrapped around now. As you can see, my ring got a little wonky as I was doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and get my ring sizer, slip it back on all the way to number 7, and pull it together again. This is an adjustable ring, So it's okay if they're not touching. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pliers and see if I can flatten this a bit more. Just so that it has a better hold overall. Just gonna go around and kind of crimp them together. I am happy with that. Let's go ahead and slide it off. And let's put it here. There you go. A very simple, very lovely ring. And it's super adjustable too, so you can put it on any finger. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.